CDC Boys Anantnag turned 75 years old.
A very happy birthday to this college. Happy birthday to GDC Anantnag.
Thank you very much.
If we had the prior information, we could have arranged a much better gift for you because you are doing great job for the society, for the South Kashmir.
So how do you feel to be the part of this 75-year-old institution?
इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग जो इस कॉलेज का मतलब जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा है, इतना पुराना कॉलेज है, so it's a very great thing to be here. Overall काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
You have been our senior as you early introduced yourself, and we will hopefully follow your steps and maybe someday we will be there. जहाँ पे आप आज हो.
इंसान वही है जो अपने अंदर के स्टूडेंट
sir,
को
yes,
हमेशा जिंदा रखेगा. And once you will think I am the boss, you are done and dusted in life.
One of the star athletes of the college who has represented
He is Mr. Wahitili.
represented the college in National University Games and got the gold medal in cricket.
Nice.
IIT Mumbai, and in collaboration of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, they have awarded us best college.
I have been in the Department of Higher Education for the last 10 years, and let me be very clear with you. The students I have found in this college, in my department, are the best of the lot.
This is the stall of media studies. I am the pass out of this department. I feel very proud. I feel very emotional to come here after a long time. And oh, by the way, this is me. Let me tell it openly, the students who are here, the college is like Malyun and university is like Wari. अस्सलाम वालेकुम आदाब, मैं हूं काशिफ और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं रेडियो राब्ता के डिजिटल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज अनंतनाग, एंड टुडे CDC Boys Anantnag turned 75 years old, and it's the first college of South Kashmir, and me myself, I am the proud पास आउट. बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं इस कॉलेज के, क्योंकि अपनी एक लेगेसी है. इस कॉलेज ने इस कौम को बहुत सारे राइटर्स, बहुत सारे पोइट, बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स, बहुत सारे इंजीनियर्स, बहुत सारे जर्नलिस्ट, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग जो कौम का सरमाया बने वो दिए हैं. और आज एक एक करके हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में जाएंगे एंड आई विल शो यू द इनोवेशंस दे हैव डन और जो कंट्रीब्यूशन उन्होंने की है for this nation. I'll show you that. So this is the Department of Geography, one of the oldest department of this college. We have the HOD of the department with us. So firstly tell me about your department and then about the things you have. Yes.
So our department is one of the oldest departments. I rightly said that. It was established in the year 1985. Yes, nowadays it is one of the biggest department in the college. We are having more than 600 students. And let me tell you one thing, that in the year 2025, we have been, our efforts have been acknowledged by at the national level. IIT Mumbai, and in collaboration of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, they have awarded us best college, especially through Department of Geography, where we are having the state. This is the total station. This is a very sophisticated surveying instrument, and geographers are using it. We teach this. We teach this through practicals to the student. A lot of things have been done. A lot of publications have been published by our department.
Now, यहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स and this is women empowerment, girl empowerment. Lot of girls are here. इनसे बात करेंगे. Please थोड़ा बहुत हमें इसके बारे में बताइए.
Going to say it's all about us girls doing things and showing our talent to the world, what we are capable of doing. This is us making halwa by ourselves and
Halwa by yourself.
Yes.
Is it for the free or
No.
Okay.
It's us serving kahwa over here.
So this is the Department of Environment Science and Department of Water Management. A lot of students are with me. So पहले congratulations to all of us, because I am also the pass out of this college and our college turned 75 today. And जो आपने stall यहाँ पर लगाया, please brief Ali हमें बताएं कि ये क्या है, कौन सी चीज़ क्या है?
ये रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का मेरा मॉडल.
Okay.
Since I'm here from last 2 years and I'm in my final year student right now,
Okay.
and I learned a lot of things like how to know about the environment, as I'm an environment student, and it also gave me some respect, we can say, or manners, and showed how we should, as a student, we should respect our teachers.
So this is the stall of Department of Sports. Brief us about your department.
Thank you very much. I'm Dr. Rauf Ahmed. I'm currently heading the department of physical education. This is the legacy where we start, where we begin.
Okay.
At back 1950s and 60s.
Okay.
Then this is the milestone and achievements what we have
So
achieved.
can we say this was one of the first departments of this college?
I think so. This was one of the because it was established with the inception of the
Yeah,
college.
that's why I told you.
And if you can see, these are the trophies from 1971, 72, 74. The 70. This is Mr. Mohammad Yunus Dar.
Okay.
He's my colleague.
Okay.
And this he has represented the college in National University Games and got the gold medal in cricket. He is one of the star athletes of the college. She has also represented college in National University Games and won the gold medal. She has also represented the college in All India Powerlifting Championship. She is one of the best athletes of the college in Powerlifting Championship.
This is the stall of media studies. I am the pass out of this department. These are the pictures which have been collected by our students, and these pictures are in the international journals as well. These are our proud alumni. There are a lot of students who are working with international news organizations. This is the console. The illustrator, this illustrator is the, this is the newspaper of this department. And this very nice, ये नए students हैं. I hope I will see them on the big platform. This is the magazine of this college, the very nice. I'll try to show you some of the students who are the pass out of this college. And let me rewind this. He's Mir Mudassir Altaf. He is working with Network 18, which is one of the biggest news organizations of this country. And oh, by the way, this is me. Thank you very much कि आपने मुझे इसमें रखा है. This is Saeed Ishrat Nazir Awaz Barsagi, working as an independent journalist. This department is just 9 years old and a lot of things to come. This is the stall of Department of Computer Science. Brief us about your stall, please.
Basically, at the Department of Computer Sciences, or you can say Department of Computer Applications, what we are striving for is basically inculcating the critical and the trending technologies that we have currently in the computer science field. Yeah. So, keeping that in mind, what we have tried to achieve here is AI and robotics. We are integrating these two technologies, and we are trying to inculcate the kind of foundational knowledge in our students so that they may have the knowledge that will take them to the next level.
So this is the Department of IT. So please brief us.
बेसिकली हमने एक चैटबॉट बनाया जो एक यूज़र फ्रेंडली चैटबॉट है जिसकी वजह से जिसकी हेल्प से हम इजीली कॉलेज की इंफॉर्मेशन गेन कर सकते हैं इजीली सो दैट हमारे जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उन पे लोड कम हो जाए. हमने यूज़र फ्रेंडली बनाया. ये हमें सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स की फैकल्टीज़ के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, लोकेशंस के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है.
So we are in the Department of Seed Technology. Congratulations to everyone here. This college turned 75 years old. So please हमें बताइए इसके बारे में.
So यहाँ पे हमारे पास वो सारी varieties है seeds की जो कश्मीर में cultivate होती हैं. We are presenting the heritage of our agriculture mainly from our motherland, that's the Kashmir, and these are the different types of seeds that are cultivated here. And mostly we are here offering you the seeds that we students have cultivated with the presence of our teachers and their assessment, and we have cultivated them in the field in our college.
So this is a stall of the Department of Agricultural Science. Please brief us about this.
This is mushroom, button mushroom. Its scientific name is Agaricus bisporus.
Okay.
ये हमने ये entirely cultivate किया हम students ने फैकल्टी की मदद लेके इधर ही लैब में, और ये इस कॉलेज में पहली बार मतलब इंट्रोड्यूस किया है इसी साल। तो हम एक्सपेरिमेंटल बैच है इसका।
This is the stall of the Department of Biotechnology. Students are with me. To briefly elaborate, जो भी आपने यहाँ पे रखा है, briefly please elaborate करें थोड़ा।
द फर्स्ट मॉडल जो है वो सर DNA डबल हेलिक्स का है, प्रेजेंटेड बाय द थॉरसन, जो इन्होंने बनाया है। सेकेंडली इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का भी दिखाया है यहाँ पे, जो इन्होंने ही बनाया। और थर्ड जो हमारा है ये RNA का मॉडल है बनाया है सर, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड। और ये इन्होंने बनाया है फिर प्रोटीन्स का स्ट्रक्चर। ये प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पे, फिर सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर, बीटा शीट स्ट्रक्चर और क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर।
So this is the Department of Physics, Electronics, Mathematics and IT.
We are from Physics Department, IT and Electronics Department.
Okay, please brief us about this जो आपने यहाँ पे रखा है।
So this is one of our projects. This is an automatic rain detection system, which meets the task of putting your clothes into shade. For example, आप यहाँ आए हो, आपके घर पे कपड़े हैं, वो आपने धूप सेकने के लिए रखे हैं। अब बारिश पड़ने वाली है, जैसे ही बारिश पड़ेगी तो आपको या तो किसी को फ़ोन करना पड़ेगा कि मेरे कपड़े वहाँ पे है, वो आप उठाए वहाँ से, या आपको वो गीले करने पड़ेंगे। तो उसी के लिए हमने इस टास्क को हमने ऑटोमेट किया है।
So we are in the Department of Botany. Botany is one of the oldest department of this college.
So this is the Department of Botany. As you can see, here is everything that's I can say organic material and some preserved items. And here are some flowers. We have made them by ourselves in the department. And here are some vegetables which are grown in our department.
So this is the Department of Business Administration. Please, क्या बनाया आपने ये? Please इसके बारे में मुझे बताइए।
कैलीग्राफिक फ्रेम्स हैं और मैं एम्ब्रॉयडरी बनाती हूँ, एम्ब्रॉयडरी पिन्स वगैरह और बोज बनाती हूँ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम मंतशा भवानी और मैं अभी 7th सेमेस्टर में हूँ। ये मेरा स्मॉल बिजनेस है। आई डू रेजन आर्ट वर्क, मैं रेजन ज्वेलरी बनाती हूँ, रेजन कार हैंगिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग कंपोज्ड ऑफ रेजन। एंड आई टू मेक द बुकेज मेड अप ऑफ रिबन्स, दे आर हैंडमेड, कम्प्लीटली हैंडमेड। ऑल्सो मनी बुकेज, ये सब मतलब मुझे लगता है स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए जिसके लिए
Every girl wants to be financially independent.